Spice and Bites presents crispy chicken bread rolls. Fry 1 medium onion in 3 tablespoon oil. Add bell peppers, cabbage, and green chilies. Stir-fry them, but keep them crunchy. Garlic powder to pinches. Salt 1 teaspoon, black pepper 1 teaspoon, white pepper ½ teaspoon. Mix it with the veggies. Add 350 grams of shredded chicken. Make a slurry with cornstarch and milk. Make it up to ½ cup. Gradually add it in the chicken. Combine it and form a batter. Cut the sides of the bread. Roll it into thin sheets. Add 1 tablespoon of mixture onto bread. Grease the bread with water and roll it. Make rolls of all the batter like this. You can freeze them up to 15 to 20 days in a Ziploc container. Melt 1 teaspoon butter on pan. You can add oil or ghee if you want. Toast the rolls on the pan. Cook until they're brown and crispy from every side. Enjoy with your favorite sauce.